we didn't really know the one player. We know the older Wu player. We played against him last year and we lost. We knew he was a strong player, and so we didn't really know what to expect. But we wanted just to concentrate on our own game, and it worked pretty well, and so we got the win.
How do you think the match went for you?
How
do you think the match went? This match went?
Yeah, it was good. We had some troubles coming into the game, but yeah, in the end we played real well and beat them. Yeah.
And what's your hopes for the next couple of days?
Yeah, we hope that we can make it out of the group and play well and win a lot of matches.
Yeah. If we can reach the top 10, would be great. Would be really great.